There's a rascal. There. You can see a cool face there. Oh yeah, he's a rascal. And where are they? Over here in my lap. Sure, just take some video of babies. Take some video of Sally's boys. It's easy. It's easy, they say. Sally's little devils. Oh, this one's sweet. He's a sweetie pie. I'll show you this sweetie pie. Okay, sweetie pies. Oh, and then there's the brother beating him up. Okay, sweetie pie. Oh, he's a sweetie pie. And then there's rascals. Rascals chewing on me. You guys are the cutest. It's easy, they say. Take videos, take pictures of puppies. It's like nailing jello to the wall. It's impossible. It's impossible. Yeah.